How to maintain stock in-out in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Create a stock management board. Set up a new board specifically for tracking inventory. 2. Add key columns. Include columns like product name, stock in, stock out, and current balance. 3. Use formula columns. Set up formulas to automatically update the total stock after each stock in or stock out entry. 4. Automate restock alerts. Create an automation that notifies you when stock levels drop below a certain threshold. 5. Categorize by warehouse or location. If you manage multiple warehouses, use labels or drop-downs to track stock by location. 6. Log supplier information. Add a column for supplier names to track where your stock comes from. 7. Generate reports. Use Monday.com's dashboard feature to generate reports on stock movement and trends.